Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our question number 2. Question number 2 is the following data on the number of girls to the nearest 10 per thousand boys in different sections of Indian society is given below. So different sections are SC, ST, non-SC, ST, backward, non-backward, rural and urban. So number of girls per thousand boys. So number of girls per thousand boys, it means there are 1000 boys and number of girls are in SC it is 940, in ST it is 970, in SCST it is 920, and in backward it is 950, and non-backward district it is 920, and in rural is 930, and in urban is 910. So first part is represent the information above by a bar graph. Second is in the classroom discuss which conditions can be arrived at the graph. First of all we have to draw the graph. So this is the whole question. Now the answer for this question number 2 answer is by represent sections in x-axis. Now the sections are, there are different sections. This is your SC, next is your ST, next is your non-SCST, this next is your backward district, next is non-backward district, next is your rural and urban. Now in your y-axis, you will draw the number of girls by choosing scale. 1 unit is equals to 100 girls. So 0 to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So this is number of girls per 1000 boys. So first in SC it is 940. It is 940. So this is your 940. Next is your in ST. In ST it is 970. So this is above 950, that is 970. In next it is 920, it is 920, and in backward district it is 950, and non-backward again 920, this is 920. Next is your rural and urban, that is 930 and 910. So this is 930 and last is your 910. So this is the bar graph. Second, so what is observed from the bar graph? So it is observed that maximum number of girls per 1000 boys, that is 970, is in ST, and minimum number of girls per 1000 boys, that is 910, is for urban. Also the number of girls per 1000 boys is greater in rural areas than in urban areas. So backward district than in non-backward district, SC and ST than in non-SCST. So number of girls in ST is more than your other categories, and the number of girls is minimum in your urban area, and number of girls in rural area is more than number of girls in urban area, and number of girls in backward district is more than number of girls in non-backward district, and number of girls in SCST is more than non-SCST. So this is the observation from the graph. So next is your question number 3. So given below the seats of different political parties in the polling outcome of state assembly. So this is political party A, B, C, D, E and F. So seats won by is 75, second is 55, third is 37, next is 29, E party is 10 and F party is 37. So draw the bar graph to represent the polling result. So for x-axis we will draw the seats, and for y-axis we will draw the scale for 1 unit is equals to 10 seats. So bar graph for this is your A party, B party political, C D political party, and D and E and F. In y-axis you will draw 10 number of seats, 10, 20, 50, 60, 70, 80, 19 and 100. So these are seat won. Seat won by party A is 75. So this is represented by this 75. Next you can draw the seats won by second party is 55. Next is your seat won by third party is 37. Next is your 29, 10, 37. That is 29. This is your 10. This is your 37. Second part is which political party won the maximum number of seats. So it is clear that political party A won the maximum number of seats. Political party A won the maximum number of seats, that is equals to 75 seats. So next we will do on Monday. Thank you, sir.